Thinking to change career? 7 high-rewarding careers to consider. Are you searching for a career change? If the answer is yes, then watch this video. If you're thinking about changing your job role, going into a new industry, or both, you're not alone. Changing careers is a big move and can be a headache. Luckily, we're here to make this transition easier. In this video, we'll take a look at 7 high-rewarding careers to consider. We've also got a bonus just for you at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around. Hey there and welcome to After School TV. We inspire you to explore opportunities to achieve your life goals and make more impact. If you're new here, do us a favor and comment, and of course subscribe to this channel. So let's get to it. 1. Social Media Manager. Do you love social media, creating catchy posts and captions, and engaging with people? Then a career as a social media manager may just be what you're looking for. As a social media manager, your job will include overseeing a company's marketing campaign and posting on their social media. You'll also be in charge of developing short and long-term marketing strategies, writing copy and producing images for social media posts, and engaging with followers online. Some social media managers may provide customer service by answering questions and handling complaints, or support sales teams by encouraging purchases and sharing discounts. These digital marketing specialists also collect social media account analytics, review data, and recommend ways to optimize performance. 2. Copywriter or content writer. Content or copywriting is a diverse career with different niches that you can specialize in. You can be a technical writer, creating user manuals, how-to guides, books, FAQ pages, blog posts, magazine articles, and more to simplify information. You can be a health writer and inform readers about the latest in the health industry. Writers create a variety of content for different industries. As a writer, you can decide to seek full-time employment in a company. Alternatively, you can become a freelance writer, juggling multiple clients, setting your rates and your work hours. 3. Software developer. Software developers are computer program creators who design every component needed to run user interfaces well. They use virtual modes and flowcharts to plan step-by-step details that coding software consumers enjoy. Software development is another diverse field, and you can specialize in any area you choose. So, what do software developers do? They develop mobile applications, operating systems, computer drivers, PC utilities, and language processors. Software developers research market needs to brainstorm creative ideas and take them from concept to commercialization. As you can see, there are plenty of opportunities out there for a software developer. So, if you're interested in writing code, debugging problems, or testing app or software functionality, then you should consider transitioning into a software engineer. 4. Web developer. Web developers use programming codes to create websites for individuals, businesses, and government agencies. They oversee the appearance, performance, and functionality of the website. Web developers talk with clients about their needs, recommend applications, and coordinate with writers and designers to create complete products. Many web developers provide ongoing support and maintenance for websites. Some developers specialize in certain websites, such as e-commerce, which require advanced programming and security knowledge. 5. Project manager. The duties of a project manager include research, creating and advising plans for developing products or providing services. Project managers oversee areas such as timelines and labor, costs, and communications. Project managers are often called cost estimators because most project managers have to minimize costs while delivering the desired results. They usually specialize in managing projects in certain industries such as software development, construction, or manufacturing. 6. User experience researcher. You can consider this a product testing career. A user experience (UX) researcher uses data-driven research to determine whether users would like or enjoy a design. As a UX researcher, your job is to collect data from sample groups and then use the results from the data to create more satisfying, practical designs that meet people's needs or improve an existing design. Their responsibilities include planning usability research, writing surveys or questionnaires, selecting control groups, conducting interviews, moderating lab sessions, compiling research data, running analysis, presenting findings to developers, and translating results into helpful recommendations. 7. Market researcher. Market researchers assess the demands of a market to estimate the sales potential for products and services. They review sales trends, examine past patterns, and forecast the future of the market. Market researchers use polls, surveys, and other techniques for collecting data, and use software and statistical models to study the information they gather. These professionals translate their findings into written reports and charts, which they present to stakeholders. Many market researchers also review the results of marketing strategies and recommend more efficient and lucrative approaches. That's it for today's video, but before we leave, here's that bonus we promised, an additional high-rewarding career to consider, and that's sales leadership. Sales leadership skills refer to your ability to lead a company or organization's sales to generate a profit or overall revenue. Several businesses want employees with sales leadership skills, making it one of the more highly paid abilities. Some examples of sales leadership skills include communication, leadership, and motivation. Sales leadership skills extends to various industries, including real estate, technology, and financial services. Thanks for watching till the end. We hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Also, leave a comment and let us know what you want to hear about.